leading into summer every year, I often get asked about hailstone damage to solar panels. So you might be wondering what happens in a hailstorm. Well, what we've done is taken the liberty of created a hail ball, and we're going to put it to the test. So we conducted the test, and I got one of the boys to throw the ice ball as hard as they could at our SolarWatt German-made panels. The results are out. Didn't hurt it at all. Nothing happened. So we tried to break the panel with the ice ball. Nothing happened. So we thought, look, let's go to the cricket ball. And let's think about what a cricket ball is. It's heavier than the biggest hail. It's bigger than the biggest hail. It's ridiculous. But let's do it. So this is the demonstration where we threw a cricket ball at our German-made SolarWatt panel. So as you can see, it did cause a bit of minor damage. But you got to remember, this is a German-made SolarWatt panel. And I thought to myself, I wonder what happens when we throw the same cricket ball at a cheap panel that's out there in the market like everyone else is getting right now. So we put it to the test. So this is a demonstration of us throwing a cricket ball at a cheap panel. So guys, the verdict's out. Look at the cheap panel. It's stuffed. It can't handle a cricket ball. That's why at Expert Electrical, we usually prefer to give you offers with SolarWatt and SMA, both German high quality products. Give us a call to find out more.